Dagol!
Tita, Tanya, Chinita. Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Angkol! Dagol!
And Tita, Tanya, Chinita. 3 months na po kami ng boyfriend kong Russian. Feel good morning po sa mga kabisyong araw-araw na nakabang nanonood sa programang
Mga katas ng nakalipas.
Tago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Glenda. Mula po sa bagong silang Caloocan. 35 years old na po ako. Sexy. Malakas ang appeal. Pero hindi nyo aakalaing nanay na ako. Pero single mom po ako. Nagtatrabaho po ako bilang tindera ng fried chicken. Magmula po nung nagkahiwalay kami ng tatay ng anak ko ay ayoko na sa Pilipino. Ayoko na sa Pinoy. Lolokohin lang ako. Tas wala pang pera. Tas medium lang naman yung size.
Pamersonal na.
Kaya naghanap po ako ng foreigner sa online dating app. At nakita ko po at nakilala si Yuri Takirov na isang Russian. Nasa 50s pa lang po siya, pero hindi halata kasi ang gwapo, tangos ang ilong, ang tangkad, at ang sarap-sarap. Marunong naman po siyang mag-English. Dahil nakapag-travel na po daw siya sa iba't ibang bansa. Businessman po si Yuri. Kaya mukhang jackpot po ako sa kanya. At dito na nga po nagsimulang tumagas
Ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
Hello, baby!
Hello, baby. How are you there in the Philippines?
We're fine now. With me is my daughter, Jinjin. Jinjin, say hello
Let me see your daughter.
Say hello to Tito Yuri. Hello po, harigamoto mo to.
You're a very pretty baby. I am not a Japanese. I am a Russian.
Mama, ano daw po? Ay, baby, hindi siya...
Or the Union.
Hindi siya Japanese, yung nakaraan yun, pero Russian siya.
What are you saying? You have other boyfriend? You have Japanese boyfriend?
Did I say anything? I didn't.
I just hear the Japanese word. I expect that you have somebody else.
Of
Are you
course.
trying to... Are you not
Wait.
loyal to me?
Hello? Hello, daghang salamat.
And I cannot understand.
Mama, ano ba nisasabi ko? Kasi absent po ako lagi sa English namin eh. My baby girl says hello to you, to Tito Yuri. Tito Yuri, I want to buy labubu.
Is that so? Okay. I will send money
Really?
right away.
15,000 labubu?
It's okay.
Really, Mama?
Right there.
Ma-
You receive.
Yuri, nagpadala, did you send 15,000?
That's for your daughter and soon to be my daughter. Or the union.
Thank you so much! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Ang babarat ninyo! Thank you!
Wow! It's already 15,000.
What? Thank you, Tita Yuri! All the way from the Philippines! Ay, sino ba yung kausap nyo? Ay, Nay, si ano po, yung boyfriend ko po na yung Russian. Nay, ano to, Russian to Wag mo Japanese kausapin yung nakaraan. Baka malaki.
How are you? Who are you talking?
My mother! Hello, hi!
Hi.
I'm mother of this beautiful lady, Glenda.
Mother,
Glenda.
you will be my mother soon.
Yes, when?
I will go to the
When
Philippines.
When o where, Glenda? When yung punta dito? When po, Nay, when po? When here, Philippines?
I will go to the Philippines as long as I finish my business here in Russia.
I want to go in Russia. Is there any missile there? Missile?
I will
Nuclear.
bring along. Don't you worry if I go there to the Philippines, I will bring you and your entire family here. You will visit Russia.
Really?
You will experience our beautiful country.
Wow.
Or the
I
union.
want to experience Russian.
I have
Iba
grandfather here.
Nay.
Very active.
Sorry for my mom and Jinjin. Okay, let's talk. So,
Wait.
Yuri, baby.
There, I send you 25K. That's for you.
You sent already. I was just saying that I need money.
Yeah, it's okay. You still want money. Year of reporting.
Thank you so much, Miami Hotdog, Yuri. Thank you.
Well, just to remind you, my baby Glenda, do not shut down your cell phone. I want to monitor you 24 hours a day.
No problem. Of course, no problem.
Okay,
Because
that's
I
good.
love you, baby Yuri. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too po. Ingat po dyan.
I will see you very soon.
Pag-amping.
Comrade. Year of reporting.
Nakapagpalit na po ako ng 2 battery at pati cellphone. Binilihan niya din ako ng bago. Yung matagal malobat, pati power bank dahil gusto niya po walang putol ang aming video call kasi nakamonitor siya sa akin na parang CCTV 24/7. At kahit po mag-inuman pa kami ng mga barkada ko ay kailangan yung camera. Kita lahat ng kasama ko at kainuman ko. Baby Yuri, I will wee-wee, okay? Is it okay?
Yeah, I will still watch you while you are urinating.
No, that's
For the urine.
Kadiri. That's not okay. That's not proper. I will...
You want me to cut off?
No, of course you watch. You watch, okay? Okay, ready? Are you ready now?
Okay. What is that? Is that national irrigation?
I'm done. Okay, I want to go back. Let's go back to my friends. Okay.
Okay.
Are you not sleeping?
I'm still having some reports
sleep.
for my business. Who are with you? Happy birthday, and it's your birthday today. That is why I send you again money.
Yes, thank
That's 45,000 for your birthday, and that's another 15,000 for your celebration with your friends for the union. Year of reporting.
Grabe. Ang laki ng pinadala niya. Pero ang hirap kasi hindi ko magawa yung gusto ko. Hindi ako makalandi sa mga kainuman ko.
na tayo.
Mars!
Bay, uhaw na yung gamil, bay. Mag-inom na tayo, bay.
Mars, bilisan mo na.
Mars, patayin mo na yung kabidyo call mo. Sino ba yung kabidyo call mo?
Oo nga, bay.
Friend ko, si Yuri, kasi kailangan kasi...
Si Yurik.
Yuri!
Ay,
Yuri!
mataas ba yung Yurik niya?
Hindi, kasi lagi siya nagpapadala ng minsan 50K, kaya hindi ko mabitawan kasi mabubuhay.
Baby, who are you talking?
My
Let me
friends!
introduce them to me.
Okay, first, this is Bong. Bong, I want you
Bong,
to...
who is Bong?
Bong is my cousin!
Hindi naman tayo magpinsan, ah.
Huwag mo sabihin! Wala kang pera, wala tayong pulutan.
Kasin!
Cousin!
Tahan!
Cousin! No! This is cousin
What?
Bong.
Cousin. Relatives.
Yes,
Relatives.
his father is me.
Okay,
Okay.
next.
Next is Trixie. Trixie is cousin.
Yuri!
Cousin.
Kasin!
Two. Cousin.
Okay. Yeah.
Second degree Celsius. Okay? Okay. And this is Kim.
Hello. What's up? What's up, guys?
Who is you look like are you a boy or a girl?
Nakakalala. I'm LGBTQ.
Okay. That's fine with me. But do you have another person there, boyfriend?
Yes. No. Of
Ako
course.
na lang, Yuri. Pero,
This is,
cousin also, introduce me.
Eto na, Yuri, this is, what's your name?
Sorry, +1 lang kasi ako dito.
This is,
Just call me anything.
anything, this is anything. Anything says
Who is anything?
anything
Hello,
is
Yuri.
my, yaya of my cousin.
Okay. So you have no boyfriend there, or else I will cut off
Of
the
course!
allowance I'm sending to you for the union.
Bong, sabi mo, loyal ako. Bong, sabi mo.
No, my cousin is very loyal.
Yes.
Loyal, yeah.
Yes. 24/7 loyal.
Of course, because our
Loyal through alliance.
because our clan, our family, the family tree is a loyal family tree.
That is good to hear,
Yes.
or else I will cut off.
We were born to be loyal and faithful.
Yeah.
Yes. You want to send us medium rare steak for our chicha? What's chicha? Pulutan. Boom.
Okay, I will send right away.
Okay.
There you go. 10K for your
Wow.
another 10K for your drinks.
Wow.
Is it okay now?
Thank you, Yuri.
Do not.
Do not cut the video.
Yes, I will.
Mga guys, ang hirap.
Paano ba tayo mag-inuman ito? May nakaanabang.
Hindi ako makapag...
What are you drinking?
We are drinking vodka. Mali vodka.
Okay,
Okay?
just don't cut the video.
Yes, I will not. I won't. ko naman po, Angkol and Tita, na sobrang laking tulong ng mga padala po ni Yuri. Napaayos ko yung bahay namin, hindi na ako nalilate ng bayad sa kuryente, tubig. Napaparenovate ko yung kusina sa tulong po ni Yuri. Napaayos ko pa nga yung bubong at kisame, pati tiles. Kulang na lang pintura at mga iba pang appliances. Kaya tiis-tiis muna sa video call na walang tigil. Pero sa totoo lang po, nahihirapan na ako. Hindi na po siya okay para sa akin.
Don't you worry, my dear, because I will go to the Philippines as soon as possible and I want to be with you and your family tree. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing blue lingerie.
That's my favorite.
The one that you want.
Yeah,
Yes. And
I like that.
Mars! Mars! Wait. Mars! Oh,
Mars, yung anak mo nasa klinik. Nilalagnat.
Sa school?
Oo, puntahan mo na nga kaya doon.
Okay. Sige, thank you, Mars. Yuri,
What's the problem?
my daughter, Jinjin, is in the clinic.
Okay, but just don't cut the video.
Yes, I will. I won't.
Hello.
Yes, let's
Hey.
go.
Ay, buti naman okay na yung anak mo. Ikaw bata ka talaga. Pinakaba mo pa kami. Nagngingipin ka pa rin. Ang tanda mo na.
Sorry po. Pinainom po ako ng gamot po sa high blood. Bakit po bata pa lang ako high blood na ako? Anak, okay ka lang ba? Promise, nalulungkot si mama na nagkasakit ka. Opo, mama, okay na po ako. Huwag ka na po naaalala.
Uy, girl, kanina pa yung tumatawag si Yuri. O, ilang miss calls na yan.
Kasi inaasikaso ko si Jinjin.
Sagutin mo na.
Sige na nga.
Why did you cut off the video? I already told you, do not cut off the video. So you want me to cut your allowance?
Yuri, Jinjin was
I don't care.
dinala in the hospital.
I don't care.
You don't care because you're not the mom. I'm the mom. I was worried.
I already told you, once you cut the video, I will cut your allowance because I already had a Pinay girlfriend who used me before. And she has another boyfriend.
Yuri, it's an
I think you have another boyfriend.
It's an emergency. Don't judge me. That's not me. That girl is not me. Don't judge me.
I cannot understand.
your
For
ex-
the union.
Your ex-girlfriend is not me. I'm different. I'm loyal. It was an emergency. My daughter needed
But
me.
still, I told you not to cut the video or else I will cut your allowance.
But I have to run fast to get my daughter. She was sick.
I don't believe you.
What?
You cut the video, it means you see other guy.
No, of course not. I'm not like that. I'm loyal.
If you are loyal, you did not cut the video. I already told you I have to monitor you 24 hours a day.
You don't know what I'm doing. You don't know. You don't see. You don't feel.
Mars, stress na ako dyan sa Stress ka na ba? Ako yung na-stress sa'yo.
Or sabihin mo nga na hindi mo alam yung nangyari.
We don't know what's happening to us.
Yes! What's happening?
Do not talk. I'm not talking to you, Trixie. I
Mars,
don't
huwag ka na
care.
magsalita. I'm a mother. It's an emergency. You don't understand.
So what are you trying to say?
I don't want already anymore.
What? Hero reporting.
I don't want any more! Let's cut this relationship! I don't want you in my life! You're a toxic guy! You're a mother-father!
Uy, Mars! Galit ka na ba? Ayaw mo na ba sa kanya?
Huwag
Akin
mo
na lang
kang
yung
galit,
story.
Mars! Nag-i-English ako pero galit ako!
Sayang yan,
Ano ba
Mars.
sabihin na break na, Mars?
Ayaw mo na
Let's
ba?
break it gently!
Please.
Please. I am sorry.
No! This is your last chance! You didn't understand me! What are you?
Because you are not loyal to me.
No!
You have other boyfriend.
Who are you to judge? Are you God? Are you judge? No! Let's cut this off. I don't want you in my life anymore. Let's bury it!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!